Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and beloved students. Welcome to the Quran recitation competition here at our cherished pesantren. This is a great honor for me to be your master of ceremony today. My name is Nur Aisha. Today we gather to celebrate the beauty of the Holy Quran and to witness the incredible talents of our students as they participate in this prestigious competition. The Quran is not just a book, it is a guide for our lives, and through this event, we aim to foster a deeper connection with these teachings. Let me take a moment to outline our agenda for today. The first recitation of the Holy Quran. We will begin with a beautiful recitation by our talent students. To welcome speech. Following that, we will hear a few words from the head of the pesantren. Name is Nuri. 3. Performance by MTQ participant. Our participant will then take the stage to demonstrate their recitation skills. The last, closing remarks. Finally, we will conclude the event with some closing thoughts. Now, without further ado, I would like to invite the head of the pesantren, Wahid Al-Mandili, to deliver the welcome speech. Please join me in giving a warm welcome. Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now let us move on to the highlight of our event, the performance by our MTQ participant. We are excited to see their dedication and hard work come to life through their recitation. As we approach the end of our event, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants, judges, and everyone who has contributed to making this event a success. May the blessing of the Quran fill our hearts and guide our lives. Thank you for being here today, and I hope you enjoyed the performance. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.